So map 1, launch control. Never down, full send. See you, Steffi.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today is the day, boys. The Nissan GTR Godzilla turns into the Nissan GTR Bug Killer. We're back, baby. We're back. So we finally have some really good news on the dream house. I guess it's not really good news. It's not really bad news. I guess it's just kind of some general news. But check out this absolute tank we're driving today. The Ford F-350 Platinum, 6.7 liter power stroke. One of you guys can win this truck. This F-350 is absolutely massive. My Raptor is a big truck and it is just dwarfed in size comparison next to this truck. It is an absolute unit. This truck is so sick and one of you guys can win this exact F-350 Platinum. You guys know my friends Heavy D Sparks and Diesel Dave. Heavy D Sparks might be the craziest man I've ever met in my entire life. He's the guy who had the idea to put winter tracks on my Lamborghini Aventador and convinced me it was a good idea, which ended up being the best idea, the best video we filmed in 2021. And then Diesel Dave is such a nice guy. He's got that gorgeous, luscious beard. Well, they're part of Diesel Sellers, and Diesel Sellers is giving away this truck, and they are hooking up the TheStradman, like the biggest hookup ever. Let me explain. This truck is an absolute monster, and it is brand spanking new. 770 miles on it. It's got the 37-inch Toyo tires, the 3-inch lift kit. I feel like an absolute boss driving this thing around. My neighbors' houses are like coming together. That one's getting close to the finish line. So here's the amazing offer if you want to win this truck. Check out the link below, dieselpowergear.com/pages/Stradman. Go pick out a cool hat, a cool shirt, and you're automatically entered in to win this truck. And using my discount code STRAD20, you're gonna get 20% off everything, but it gets way better. So normally you spend $5, you get 1 entry. Maybe you spend $35, that means you get 7 entries. Well, right now, for the Stradman YouTube channel subscribers, that's you guys, just for you guys, you buy something today or tomorrow, you get 10 times entries. So if you spent $35, you normally get 7 entries. Right now, you get 70 entries, guys. Like, this is honestly, I'm getting emotional. This is honestly the best chance for one of you guys to win this truck. That would be so sick. 10x entries today, tomorrow. It ends tomorrow, August 9th at midnight. So seize the moment. If you want this truck right now, like 10x, it's your best chance. And check this out. 6 of the last 8 winners occurred during the 10-time promotion. It's your best chance to win. And the last winner was actually a YouTube subscriber to Heavy D's channel. But remember, the 10x promotion ends tomorrow at midnight. So seize the moment. Check out that link below if you want 10 times. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction, we have good news and we have bad news. And the good news is the bad news, and the bad news is the good news. If you guys remember the last time we were here, they installed the steel. That was about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And since then, unfortunately, nothing else has happened. The reason we haven't done anything is because we can't get anything. Now in 2 weeks, we're gonna be laying down the concrete suspended slabs over all of this steel work. But after that, construction, unfortunately, is coming to a stop. I know I've said this on repeat, but the price of lumber is destroying this project. We are getting absolutely annihilated. We are getting crushed. Back in October, the original bid was like, just on lumber was like $200,000 cheaper than it is today. I'm standing up on the steel beams. I'm gonna sit down. Now there is finally some good news as far as lumber prices. Lumber futures have already started to drop, which means it's gonna trickle down to actual lumber prices. So we're gonna hold off on the project for about 6 to 8 weeks. We figure almost every single day we wait, we might save in the neighborhood of $1,000 to $1,500 to $2,000. So over the course of 6 to 8 weeks, we might save ourselves $100,000. So the good news is lumber prices are gonna start dropping. We are gonna save some money. The bad news, we can't build for 2 months. This is probably not the biggest surprise in the entire history of the channel. I gotta get the Veyron out to compare and contrast to the GTR, being that the GTR is gonna be the bug killer, so naturally we gotta get the Murcielago out of the way, and of course, it's dead, and I don't have a trickle charger or a battery pack. Yeah, cheese. That's all we got. She's dead. She's moving. Come on. Come on. Oh, we gotta be very, very precise though, because I do not want to scratch this Murcielago. So I got the Mercy move this far. I think I can get the Bugatti out right here and kind of snake it out. Maybe? I'm not sure. This is not, what, are you kidding me? Really? Really? Oh my gosh, of course he shows up right now and he steals my parking space. I don't think he realizes I'm in the Veyron. I'm pretty sure he does. Well, he might, I don't know. Maybe, maybe. ruined my spot. Oh, wait, really? Mozzarella sticks? Chicken sandwich?
I can't hear you. 16 cylinders.
What? Chicken, baby. Burlacker's got a 1230. He's a corporate director now. He's like a president. I don't know exactly what he does at his job, but he drives a purple smart car, and just like that, he's gone. I'm gonna have to find every muscle in my body to push this Murcielago. The driveway's a slight slope that's enough to make it. I got chicken legs. You just gotta rock it like a baby. Come on, Mercy, come on. I can't get it. I cannot. This is why we never skip leg day. It's going backward. It's going backward. Great, great. We're moving in the wrong direction. I don't really know what to do with the Murcielago. It's half out of the garage, half in the garage. It has a dead battery. I'm not strong enough to push it in. I got little chicken legs. We're gonna have to call up reinforcements backup, but for the time being, this is the dumbest channel. We only have one goal with the Nissan GTR, and that is to turn it into the Bug Killer. Now, it just so happens, as a coincidence, one of the best Nissan GTR builders in the entire world is here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Like, who knew? We're taking the car off to Brad at Precision Performance. Now, the build timeline is gonna be 4 months, but when this car is done, boys, it is going to absolutely annihilate. It is going to slaughter the Bugatti Veyron. It's gonna be the Bug Killer. You guys know the stats, facts, and figures. The 8-liter, the quad turbocharged, the W16, the 1,000 horsepower. When the car came out, fastest car in the world, 254 miles an hour. When it was brand new, the Veyron, $1,750,000. And so the goal is to make the GTR faster than the Bugatti. Now, we're gonna have to invest a lot into this car to make it faster than this. I bought this 17 GTR for $90,000. So Brad at Precision Performance, he's gonna overhaul the entire car. When it's all said and done, ladies and gentlemen, when my GTR Bug Killer is all said and done, 1,400 wheel horsepower. I think it's gonna be no contest. One quick clarification, even when the GTR is the Bug Killer, there's still nothing quite like a Bugatti. I mean, there's a reason that I own this car. There's a reason this car is so valuable. It's more than just the performance figures. It's a Bugatti, a Bugatti. Okay, and it's locked. Stefan is half man, half mule. Oh, come on, push, Stefan. I'm doing all the work over here. Unbelievable.
Makes me push, and he's yelling.
That's my Uber home. That is my Uber home. The ProCharge C6. Oh, how the turntables have turned. Bye. See you later. Whatever. That guy, Steffi's so smug. Come December, round 2, baby. I'm gonna be a ghost. I'm gonna be so far gone. Now, unfortunately, 1,400 horsepower isn't free, so we're here at JP Morgan Chase, so the total cost of the build is gonna be $81,000. You know, it's funny, we're calling this GTR the Bug Killer, when in actuality, it's the Stefan Killer.
The Stefan Killer?
The Steffi Killer!
No!
That's right, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't tell me that.
Kingdom come. Yeah, done, boy. I'm pretty sure it's safe to say we're definitely in the right spot. When you see a parachute, you're at Precision Performance. I think we just descended on GTR heaven. Look at this car right here. Full carbon fiber with the parachute. One GTR, another GTR, another GTR, obviously my GTR, another GTR. Steffi, where are we? Look at this. Look at this thing. And naturally, of course, inside we have even more GTRs, more GTRs, more GTRs. You guys might recognize this one. This one has a blown transmission because that guy's an idiot. Just want to point out,
yes,
you're the only GTR that has the bike rack. All the other guys have parachutes.
I'm kind of a dweeb, you know? Like when you show up and you're like with all your older brothers, you want to be cool, you know?
You're kind of that way in our friend group too, so it kind of makes sense. You've always been the dweeb. I'm just kidding. We love you, Steffi. We love you. Well, somehow it's our lucky day. We're gonna go for a quick ride in Brad's Nissan GTR 2200 wheel horsepower. This is the fastest car I've ever been in. To say I'm terrified would be a mild understatement. Check this thing out. 2200 wheel horsepower. I don't know if I'm stepping into my future burial site or just the craziest Nissan GTR ever. Brad ran the quarter mile in 720 at 201 miles per hour in this car. 720 for a quarter mile. Hold on for your lives, boys! What? Oh my God! I cannot see! I think I lost my eyesight! Oh my gosh! The reincarnation of Godzilla! trying to catch my breath. That was map 4. That was 1,400 horsepower. That's gonna be my car. Oh my gosh. Every single pore in my body is sweating now. I have a runny nose. All the blood has rushed to my head. I peed my pants. Oh, what a day to be alive. So map 1, launch control. Never downfall sin. See you, Steffi. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing stars. Oh my gosh. What was that? I'm not crying. It's the method, I promise. Oh my gosh. What? I can't even talk right now. I am drenched in sweat. I was crying like a little girl right there. What in the world was that? What? We're gonna get demonetized now, wow. Funny enough, the next time Stefan sees that Nissan GTR, it's gonna be a couple car lengths in front of you. Stop! Okay, if we could chill, like I'm legit like off camera, I'm wrecked. It's crazy how 1,000 horsepower is now normal. It's crazy how 1,000 horsepower almost feels slow now. I'm 2 hours post GTR. I feel a little bit better. I still have like a mild headache. My heart rate is still a little bit crazy. Good. I have never felt speed, performance, power quite like that. That is like in a whole different stratosphere. So I suppose in summary, the Nissan GTR is at precision performance. We're gonna be pushing 1,400 wheel horsepower, and the car should be done in about 4 months. So early December, the car should be back here in the garage and be officially the bug killer. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.